Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new Airsoft video. Today I'm bringing you a bit of two videos in one. We've got a bit of a laugh with some Marshals, and we've also got a nice little tidy ambush that nets us a few kills. This footage was taken down at Ace Airsoft's event that was taking place in Pleasure Beach, Southport, which was quite a nice little AO. Sadly, I don't feel it was utilised up to its full potential, but this was taken at the second game on the Saturday, which was very good and was a nice little pushback game. So I'm going to let you watch here, guys. Hope you enjoy.
I'm a bush. Nice. I'm a bush. I'm hoping they're just going to walk past me and then just going to shoot them all in the back. Yeah, I know.
So as you can see, guys, when I came through this area, I saw that it was a nice tidy little ambush point. So what I did was I found a nice little bush, I took myself into it, used my camo to its full advantage here. Thought, okay, it was nice to have a laugh with a few of the Marshals, so that was always a plus. It's always nice to have a laugh with your Marshals and other teammates as well. And when they pushed round, I got two nice kills without them really spotting me that well. So that was nice. Anyway, guys, that's mainly it for this video, because after this I do actually give my own position away, deciding to move on to a new position and giving my own position away, which does get me killed. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're enjoying the new videos that are coming out, and I hope to get back into the sport of Airsoft very soon. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy. If you're new, subscribe, leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed this video even more. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video.